Hey guys, here I am with my Garmin Etrex. This is a rugged outdoor GPS system. This is designed really for the hiker, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration and give you an idea what you can do with this. Now, this is a 12-channel receiver, so that means it can receive signals from up to 12 satellites at once, therefore making it more accurate. Okay, this is the first page, which shows you satellite information. So we're currently getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the possible 12 satellites. If it was showing bars which were hollow and obviously therefore not black like this, then it would mean it's seen the satellite, it's getting a signal, but it hasn't actually locked onto it yet. So when you switch this on for the first time, especially if you're in a new location, you've got to wait for a couple of minutes for it to actually see the satellites and then lock on. Alright, this is the position of all those satellites, and it's giving an accuracy of 4 meters. So let's just give you an idea of the pages. And what I'll do is I'll set a waypoint and then go for a walk. So, page 1, page 2, little man, which walks and draws a line for where you've been, and obviously an indication of where north is. You can zoom in and out. At the moment I've got it zoomed nice in to 50 meters, and you can zoom all the way out to kilometers if you need to. Next page gives you a compass bearing, and at the bottom information about your trip, sunset, sunrise, location, elevation, bearing, heading, max speed, average speed, current speed, and your overall distance that you've walked. So there's a lot of information down there. Next page, setup, and then waypoints. Now what I'm going to do is actually mark a waypoint here. I'm going to call it number 1. You can actually go in and change the name if you want to, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to call it number 1. Okay. Then in the saved waypoints, we can see that one saved there. Route. If you were to go 5 different waypoints, tracks. Tracks are the lines that the little man leaves behind as you walk along. Okay, so we know where we are right now. We're at waypoint number 1, and I'm going to go for a walk, and you can actually watch the little dude walking along. And then what I'm going to do is let the GPS guide me back to waypoint number 1. So you can just about see the flag for waypoint 1, and the little guy is obviously hiking along just as fast as I am right now. We can see the trip's been going for about 4 minutes. Okay. Maximum speed. Current speed 4 kilometers roughly. Wow. I've walked about 80 meters. Going some. So there's our route. I'm sort of starting to double back on myself. you get the idea. Now what I'm going to do is go back here to waypoints, select the waypoint and use the go to option. Okay, by selecting that, GPS will guide us back to where we need to go. It's obviously over there to the left. It says it's 52 meters away. So I'm going to actually go in the wrong direction. Just to show you first before I walk off. Obviously it takes the shortest route to your destination. But if you were blocked by a ravine or a river, then you'd be walking along that in the direction of the shortest route until such time that you can actually pass your obstacle, and the GPS will keep trying to reroute you back onto the shortest route. I'm going to pretend to do that now by just walking in the opposite direction so you can get an idea of how that works. Okay, clearly I've flipped back the map because I'm going in the opposite direction from where I came. Now the bearing is telling me spin around, walk the other way. Okay, now I'm going to start walking that way. Oh, getting on course. Good, good. Going off course. Oh, okay. Let's get back on. There we go. Excellent. So we're on course now. Just 55.5 meters to go. Dead on. Right the way through the middle path that we were on. It's showing us where the dark line is showing us the point at which I said go to waypoint 1. Just trying to keep on course. Arrived at destination. Well, within 10 meters. I think you'd know if you'd arrived at your destination if you were within 10 meters. Yeah, it's obviously kind of going around in circles now because I've arrived. There we go. Gives you an idea of what this little machine is capable of. The beauty of it is it runs on 2 AA batteries, so you can obviously take spares with you. If you run into trouble, then you may well have AA's with you for other reasons, which you can use, or if you're with a team, somebody else with you, definitely have some AA batteries to help get your machine up and running again. And this little panel here is the connection slot for you to plug in a cable to connect to your computer. That's really the easiest way of entering those waypoints in, because you want to do that in advance of your trip. So that's the power on off button, that's the page button, this is up, down and enter, and obviously that is also reverse, if you like, exit, return. Right guys, so there you have it. Thanks very much.